Hi, welcome to Fox ERP video tutorial. This video will teach how to manage taxes in the Fox ERP. Taxes are the compulsory contribution to the state revenue applied by the government. When creating sales and purchase transactions, you will need to apply taxes on them. You can go about selecting taxes one by one like this. However, this will be a repetitive and time-consuming task. To make it more efficient, you can create templates to apply taxes faster. In Fox ERP next you can create an account for each tax type. Let's check how to set up a tax account in the chart of accounts. Chart of accounts has various group and child accounts. Let's quickly add a new tax account. Enter tax account name, select account type as tax, enter tax rate and click on Create New. Let's create a template for sales taxes and charges. In the search bar, enter the new sales taxes and charges template. Give this template a name. Select the type based on which this tax will be applied. If you are adding a charge for which calculation will be done based on net total or some other value, then select the option accordingly. Select tax account. The tax rate will be fetched from the tax account. Enter tax description in the print format. This tax description will be displayed. If needed, you can also add other charges like shipping. For charges, you should select type as actual. Enter actual expense in the amount field. Save your sales taxes and charges master. Check default to have this tax template applied in the sales transactions automatically. On the same line, you can also configure the purchase taxes and charges template. You can use it while creating purchase transactions like purchase order, purchase receipts, and purchase invoices. To have tax master applied automatically based on a party's location, you can set a tax rule. Let's create a new tax rule. Select tax type, select tax template and set filters as per your need. Save your tax rule. Now let's check how this tax rule is applied in the transactions. Create new sales order, select customer. You can see the tax template has auto-fetched in this sales order. This is because this customer's address matches with the condition defined in the tax rule. In the transactions, the taxes mentioned will be applied to all the items. If you need to have different taxes calculated for items in the same transaction, then here is how you can do it. Mention tax rate in the item master. In the tax template, set tax rate as 0. Let's create a sales order to check how tax calculation will be done in this case. Select customer, select items, select tax template where tax rates are mentioned as 0. Now we can see that on the first item only 5% tax is applied and on the second item only 12% tax is applied. Hope you found this video tutorial useful. Thanks for watching.